One bright and sunny day, Elsa decided to create a beautiful garden right in front of their cozy home. She wanted a garden that would change with the seasons, just like her magic. A garden full of flowers, trees, and magical surprises. Elsa said with a smile. Kristoff was excited to help. He loved being outside and was great at planting. Let's make this the most magical garden ever, he said, rolling up his sleeves. Elsa used her magic to help the flowers grow. She whispered a spell, and the ground began to bloom. There were tulips, daisies, roses, and even rare flowers that sparkled under the sun. Their little daughter, Lily, loved the garden too. She ran around, giggling and playing in the soft grass. She would pick flowers and make little flower crowns to wear. The garden became a place of joy for the whole family. But one chilly evening, Elsa accidentally cast a spell that made the garden freeze. The flowers froze in place, and the trees turned to ice. Elsa's heart sank. She had meant to create a magical garden, not freeze everything in sight. Don't worry, Elsa, Kristoff said kindly. We can fix this together. Let's bring back the warmth of spring. Elsa looked at Lily, who was shivering a little. We need to balance the seasons, Elsa said. Winter and spring need to work together, just like we do. So, Elsa used her magic to slowly melt the ice, but she needed to be careful. Kristoff helped by digging little holes for the flowers. Lily cheered her on, reminding Elsa to take her time. After hours of hard work, the garden started to look beautiful again. The flowers bloomed, and the trees began to bud. The sunlight came through the clouds, warming the earth. Elsa smiled, feeling proud of what they had done together. I did it, Elsa said. We did it together. Kristoff gave her a big hug. You always do the best with your magic, Elsa. You just needed a little patience. Lily danced around the garden, laughing and picking flowers once more. It's perfect, Mommy. It's magical. From that day on, Elsa's garden bloomed every season, with a little bit of winter magic mixed with the warmth of spring. It was a garden full of life, color, and love. Elsa and her family would spend many happy days there.